Hi guys, how's it going? And today we are going to be talking about the Scaraway Silicone scar sheets. Yeah. Now these scar sheets are kind of an innovative idea that's been around for, I wouldn't say that long, just for a while. And it's really a pretty good idea. Now this is a way for anytime you've had, say, like a surgery, or anytime you have like some kind of a scar that you're trying to get rid of and or prevent. Like say you have a cut that's healing, and say you have stitches or something, you could wear this and it will help fade and prevent scarring to kind of happen, I guess, or minimize it and help it kind of go away. It's a silicone-based sheet that actually breathes with the skin. It mimics the actual layer of skin that would be healthy over the scar. So the scar that's underneath this will actually breathe and become kind of moisturized instead of actually developing more scar tissue over that same area. It will mimic that scar tissue. The scar tissue, minimalizing it, because the skin already thinks some actual healthy tissue is there already. So it kind of makes it so it fades. And it's kind of a little hard to explain, but it's a very, very innovative technology that is recommended actually by plastic surgeons, and they actually use this. And what it does, actually, the sheet looks like this. This is just one. Okay, now if we set this here, and if you can see that when you open this, it peels away, and this is the adhesive part here. It's very, very sticky right here. Now this part will fit over your skin. This is the sticky, tacky part. And if you can see, the actual bandage itself is very stretchy, and it gives along with your body. So when you put it on there, it kind of mimics actual skin. And if you can see very closely, it's very small little holes in there, so you can see where it's gonna breathe, so it's not going to be completely covered. It's covered completely, but there's areas where air can get through, so it actually breathes, and it works very well. It sticks to your body like actual skin. It gets on there, to the point where it blends into your skin to where sometimes you will forget you have it on. Yeah, and like I said, it stretches, it's very flexible, and you could wear it underneath. Even sometimes if you've had some kind of a surgery and you have to have a garment on, like a compression garment on, to, hold your scarring together and your skin together. This can be worn underneath that. And it's a very, very good product, and doctors actually use this, surgeons. It's really good, and it actually does help with scarring and minimizing scarring. So yeah, I like this a lot. I used it when I had stitches on a area of my back that was my upper shoulder, and because of a cut that I had, and I put this on there, and I don't want to say that it removed the scar completely, or you can't tell that it was ever there or anything like that. That's not gonna happen. but it made it so it didn't. I mean, you would think after, I mean, if you had a scar like like the scar that I had, you would think the scar would have been a lot worse, and it would have been if I hadn't had this on there. And I truly believe that, because I mean, this actually feels, and it just makes it so it just is able to actually heal like in a natural type way. So your skin is kind of fooled in a way of thinking that there is already a healthy layer of skin over the scar. So it just really helps it heal. And it's a very good alternative to just using a regular Band-Aid or anything like that. Yeah, it's very good. I like it a lot. And it is very useful. And I'm glad they came up with it. All right, guys. Well, that's what I think about the Scaraway Silicone Scar Sheets. It's very good. All right. I hope you guys use this information, and I will see you next time. Okay. All right. Bye-bye.